I'm Rekha J Singh, and I'm from Junior Chamber International. We have a chapter here in Jaipur, JCI Jaipur Colors. We have a project that is Cruising to Clean India. And as you know, we are into the tourism day, like we are celebrating tourism day. What are your views about the cleanliness in India? How you want your country to be clean, and what you wish, the participation of the Indian should be there?
Rekha, right? Hi, Rekha. Am I audible? Hi, Rekha. First of all, I'm very interested. I just happen to be, I'm actually from Bangalore. My name is Sarika. I'm 34. I'm a marketing professional and I'm in a bit of a break right now. And I've just come for a holiday with my family to Jaipur. And this is a very interesting concept and an initiative that JCI Jaipur Colors is taken up, and I'm very happy to support and to be a part of it. And I would love to support you all in any way that I can from Bangalore. If you all ever want to start this or do something, please feel free to take my numbers, get in touch with me. I'll do whatever I can to help you. My views on the cleanliness of India as we see it today. I think the metros more than the smaller towns are more polluted. They're more dirty, there's more garbage, because I think firstly as urbanites we take these things for granted. Even though we're educated, we're taking basic things like cleanliness for granted. We litter, we throw, we garbage streets. We're not taking these things seriously, because I think what needs to be done to stop this is, first of all, spread awareness. Okay, and for this we need to do this through the government. We need to do this through schools. We need to do this through colleges. We need to use every vehicle which is going to. We need to create awareness, and people need to start being aware of what are the after effects and the outcome of not being aware enough, of not keeping your city clean. There are going to be more potholes, there's going to be more garbage. There are garbage, those cans on the roads. How much do we even use them? So I think there needs to be awareness. Then in a lot of Western countries, in my travels with my family to Singapore, Malaysia, recently to Dubai, I've seen how much of action the government takes on garbage and littering. They fine you. So I think it starts from the government. I think the government needs to start disincentivizing or incentivizing people for littering and garbage. So I think if through awareness and education people don't understand, then you have to take action. There can only be this way or that. There's no other way of getting people to wake up and do something about it. So if you're not going to understand things the decent way, then the government has to start taking action and imposing fines to create awareness. So that's all I have to say. And I think we can do it because everyone around us is educated now. We just need to be aware and stop taking it for granted. That's it. So thanks.
Thank you so much. Happy journey and a happy tourism day. Thank you so much.